Very good morning, dear students of Standard 7th. So, today we will go with the notes from our geography book, that is lesson number 6, Natural Region. See, here are the notes of lesson number 6, Natural Regions. First question, fill in the blanks. First one, winter rain is a main features of dash region. Option is given to you. So the answer is Mediterranean. Second one, most of the territory of India lies in dash region. Answer is monsoon. Third one, dash is the main vegetation found in hot desert region. Answer is cactus. So write the answer in the following blanks over here. Now come to question number 2. Read the following statement carefully. Correct the wrong one and write them down. First one. What is the first question? Due to its mild and warm climate, people from the West European region are not energetic. So whether the statement is wrong or right, we have to write down. So the statement is wrong. तो आंसर राइट आंसर क्या आएगा? ड्यू टू इट्स mild and warm climate, peoples from the West European region are energetic, industrious and enthusiastic. Second one, the prairie regions is called the wheat basket of a world. Answer is right. Third one, the tree in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark are quite thick. There is a high rate of transpiration. So the question is wrong. The right answer is the trees in the Mediterranean region have oily leaves and the bark is quite thick. Therefore, there is low रेट ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? हाई रेट. सी, हाई रेट. लेकिन यहाँ पे राइट आंसर में क्या आएगा? लो रेट. फोर्थ वन, द कैमल इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एनिमल ऑन द हॉट डेजर्ट रीजन एज इट can survive without water and is useful for transport. So the answer is right. Next one, carnivorous animals like tiger and lion are found in a large number in the equatorial region. So the answer is wrong. Carnivorous animals like tiger and lion are found in large number in the grassland region. इक्वेटोरियल की जगह में ग्रासलैंड करना है. नाउ आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस. विच नेचुरल रीजन आर इंक्लूडेड इन फ्रिजिड जोन? सो द आंसर इज टुंड्रा रीजन एंड टाइगा रीजन आर इंक्लूडेड इन फ्रिजिड जोन. व्हाट आर द मेन ट्रिब्स लिविंग इन ग्रासलैंड? आंसर इज जुलू, हौजा, मिसाई etc. are the main tribes living in grassland. Next one, in which region are the tsetse fly found? The tsetse fly are found in equatorial region. At which place in hot desert region is agriculture practiced? Agriculture is practiced in river valleys and oases in hot desert region. Which civilization did flourish in Mediterranean region? Answer is Greek and Roman. Hope so you all have got the answer. Now here is the sixth question. What is the latitudinal extent of taiga region? So answer is latitudinal extent of taiga region is approximately between 55 degree north and 65 degree north parallel. Now here are some brief answers which you have to note it down in your book. Name any 3 herbivorous animals from the southern region. What has nature endowed them with their self-protection? So first point, write it in this way only. Name of herbivorous animal from the southern region are giraffe, zebra and kangaroo. B1, nature's endowment. Nature is endowed herbivorous animal with speedy legs. Carnivorous animal attack on herbivorous animal for hunting. At such time, speedy legs of carnivorous animal enable them to run away and protect them from carnivorous animal. Next one. What are the characteristics of a monsoon region? So the answer, the characteristics of the monsoon region are as follow. See, you can see the answer. First point, characteristics related to climate, temperature. The summer temperature of monsoon region is between 27 degrees C and 32 degrees C. Its winter temperature is approximately between 15 degrees C to 24 degrees C. Second point, rainfall. The mean annual rainfall in monsoon region is 250 mm and 2500 mm. Other features, monsoon region get rain in a specific season for southwest monsoon wind. Rainfall is highly available and its distribution is quite uneven in this region. Next one. Characteristics related to the natural vegetation. Semi-evergreen and deciduous forests are seen in monsoon region. The natural vegetation of this region depends upon the distribution of rainfall. Characteristics related to human life, occupation. Agriculture is the main occupation of people living in monsoon region. Second one, hamlets. Large number of small hamlets is seen in this region. Diet and costume. Considerable difference in diet and costume of people found in this region. Population in monsoon region is mostly involved in primary occupation. Okay, this is the answer which you have to note down. Now these notes you have to write it in your books. There are short notes, or you can say it's like a definition. Explain the influence of natural region of human occupation with suitable example. So यहाँ से start हो रहा है आंसर. Significant difference are found in landform, climate, soil, environments and natural resource in different natural region. Due to this difference, different occupations are carried out in different natural region. The influence of natural region on human occupation can be explained with the help of the following example. First is monsoon. Monsoon का क्या दिया हुआ है? Monsoon region receive rainfall in specific season from southwest monsoon wind. Monsoon rain and other climatic condition in this region is suitable for the growth of variety of crops. Therefore, agriculture and allied activities for the main occupation of people in monsoon region. Now come to next question. Next answer you can tell it is equatorial region. तो इक्वाटोरियल रीजन के बारे में क्या दिया है? Dense evergreen forests are mainly found in equatorial region. Therefore, occupation that are based on forest produce such as gathering gums, honey, rubber, lag, etc. are mainly carried out by people in equatorial region. Next is tundra region. Seals and walrus are found in a great number of tundra region. Therefore, fishing form of main occupation of people in this region. Similarly, hunting is also another important occupation on the people of tundra region. Next, grassland region. Extensive grass ranches are commonly seen in grassland region. As it affects trading animals from the main occupation of people is grassland region. Extensive farming of wheat and hunting are other major occupation of people in grassland region. So this is your notes, completed notes. Complete all the notes in your notebook. Again I will come with the next lesson. So till then, thank you.